Number 1, we have the Pulverize PWBV UT128. The Pulverize product is an effective weed, brush, and vine killer that targets tough plants like poison ivy, poison oak, and kudzu. Its active ingredients include ammoniated soap of fatty acids, which burns down weeds, and maleic hydrazide, which prevents regrowth. This ready-to-use formula comes in a 1-gallon container with a nested trigger for easy application. It's designed for use on walkways, driveways, and around buildings, covering 128 to 192 square feet per application. The non-staining, fast-acting solution shows results within 24 hours to a week and provides up to 90 days of weed control. While it's powerful against unwanted vegetation, it's important to note that it's not selective and will kill most plants it contacts. The product is made in the USA and is suitable for all-season use, offering a natural approach to weed control without harsh chemicals. So that sums up my top 5 weed killers.